Hi Keelan, it's me, Marissa. Well, I don't know how to say this, but you mean a lot to me, and I really love you. Can't wait to come to Wales and party! You know what I'm talking about. Well, what kind of got a surprise for you? Oh yeah. That song that I sent you, I think you know what I'm talking about. Yeah. I really love that song. It reminds me of you. But we've been through some really good times, and stay gold. Oh boy, stay gold. I don't know if you've seen that movie. You'd understand if you watched it. But so yeah, and I hope me and Jesse are still friends in the future, and me and him come and party with you. Okay, bye. I love you.